Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying credentials. Make sure your Miniclip ID is active and your Facebook account is reachable. Open the Miniclip app or go to the Miniclip site now and sign in with your Miniclip ID. Once signed in, navigate to your profile or settings where social connections are managed. Keep your Facebook login and any two-factor authentication device nearby because you will be prompted to authorize the connection. This saves time and prevents interruption when switching apps. Now you'll actively link accounts. Go to Account or Social Settings and choose Link Facebook. You'll see a login dialog. Enter your Facebook credentials and follow prompts. Make sure to review permissions. Miniclip often requests basic profile and friend list access, so uncheck anything unnecessary. Once you confirm, Facebook will ask to authorize the Miniclip app. Approve it to complete linking. If the app returns you to Miniclip, wait for the success confirmation before navigating away. Finish by verifying the link. View your Miniclip profile to confirm Facebook shows as connected and that friends or achievements are visible. If you don't see a connection, try logging out and back into both apps, clear app cache or browser cookies, and attempt the link again. If errors continue, open Facebook settings, revoke Miniclip permissions, then reattempt authorization to force a fresh permission flow. One key troubleshooting tip: enable pop-ups temporarily and disable ad blockers, since the authorization often relies on a pop-up dialog.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.